In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and activate your payment methods with Stripe. Whether you're new to Stripe or just need a quick refresher, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. So let's get started. First, you'll need to go to the Stripe website. You'll be greeted by their modern, user-friendly interface. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. If not, you'll need to create one, which is also quite straightforward. Once you're inside, you'll be able to see your dashboard, which provides a comprehensive overview of your financial activities. Next, focus your attention on the menu that's typically located on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you want to find and click on Settings. Once you're in the Settings section of Stripe, you'll notice a variety of options that you can configure for your account. Today, our primary focus is on payments, so you'll want to navigate directly to the Payments section. Within the Payments menu, you'll find several options related to how you can manage, track, and customize your payment methods. Here, you need to specifically select Payment Methods. This option is crucial as it allows you to manage how you receive money. Now, if this is your first time setting up your payment methods, you'll need to make sure that your account is activated. Without activation, you won't be able to fully utilize Stripe's comprehensive suite of features. To do this, look for an activation button or prompt. Stripe will guide you through the process, which might involve verifying your business details and possibly other compliance-related steps, depending on where your business is based. Once you have successfully activated your account, the next step is straightforward. Simply click Activate beside the card payment option to enable your business to start receiving card payments. This feature is absolutely essential, as accepting payments via card is a standard for most e-commerce and many service-based businesses. Now that you've activated this, congratulations, you're done with the setup. Setting up payment methods in Stripe can significantly enhance your business's cash flow by providing flexible options to your customers for making payments. Plus, Stripe's tools are designed to help you optimize your payment processing and financial reporting, making the setup process well worth the effort. And there you have it. Setting up your Stripe payment methods is simple and convenient. And now your business is ready to go, accepting secure payments smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to check out more of our guides or reach out to the friendly support team at Stripe. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.